All right, let's go cruising in a 1933 Ford Street Rod, Gary.
All right, man, with a small block Chevy.
Yeah, this is a cool old car, man. This is a real steel 33 Ford. It's got some fiberglass fenders on it, but good quality. The paint's really nice. It's a Porsche Guards Red, so it's nice and brilliant. And you see it going up the street, huh?
That's right. No, it actually drives good too. You know, some of these, you know, it's a hit and miss on driving, and it drives well.
Yeah, some people go too far with these things. They put big blower motors and tub them and all that, and makes them hard to drive. But this thing's got like it's kind of original chassis and everything like that, with the drop front axle, and it has
front disc,
rack and pinion steering. Yep, disc brakes, and turbo 350 automatic transmission. A cleaned up little 350 under the hood.
Yeah.
It's got Lady Luck on our side.
Yeah, Mr. Krinkle.
And Mr. Krinkle, look at that, man.
Yeah.
But it's a low car shifter. It looks like a stick shift, but it's an automatic. It's real easy to drive. Got tilt steering wheel. Got the Banjo wheel there too.
Yeah, nice stereo up there for the tunes.
Got some tunes. It sounds pretty good. We were playing that a little earlier. But everything about the car, all the trim and everything like that, it's in great shape. It just looks real nice. Got the gangster wide white walls, which we'll show you in a little bit.
Woo, man, it's got some good.
It was good, huh?
Yeah.
Does it stop?
No, it doesn't stop.
I hope so.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Come on, I drove this car. It's great.
That's right. We tested it before we showed all you guys how it drives.
Yeah, well, I had to drive it back.
Exactly.
They don't deliver them anymore. I don't know why.
I know. All right, on. We'll come up here and take some more pictures and a video for you.
There you go.
How about this cool looking street rod? 1933 Ford 5-window coupe. It's got the original all Henry Ford steel body on there. It does have fiberglass fenders, but good quality glass fenders. I think when this car was built, you couldn't get the steel reproduction ones. They have them now. As long as they're done right, they look good. Doesn't matter. The trunk is nice, been converted to a trunk instead of a rumble seat. And it's got the gangster wide white walls. Stock chassis on this thing underneath with a, it's got the drop front end. It has turbo 350 automatic transmission. Nice clean little 350 reliable V8 in there with a polished Edelbrock on there. Lots of little chrome goodies so you can show off your motor when you're cruising around. It's got the pop-out windshield. It's got windshield wipers. The windows work great. It's got a roll-down rear window too, which is kind of nice. When you pop that front window and roll down that back one, you got a lot of airflow coming through there. Show you inside here. It's got, of course, the suicide doors. Really clean interior. Black vinyl interior with the red piping. Got the Banjo steering wheel. Your classic Stewart Warner gauges. Here's your stereo up there. Just real clean in here. And comfortable too. All the chrome, trim, headlights, all that stuff is in very good condition. Something that the previous owner was actually a friend of mine. It was his father-in-law. Unfortunately, he passed away. Otherwise, we wouldn't be getting this car. It was his pride and joy. Enjoyed taking it everywhere. We're here in Southern California. He'd drive it up into the mountains. They'd have car shows up in Big Bear, California. And I wasn't afraid to get on the road and use it. And that's what's nice about, if something's done right and it's reliable and not over the top, it's a fun car to drive. It's even got that license plate. If you live here in California, you can have that. 33 Ford. Fun car to have in the garage for some weekend cruising. Here's the power plant in the 33 Ford. Again, small block 350. Turbo 350 transmission. This one's got a little MSD ignition on there. It's got the ram's horn exhaust instead of headers, so you're not dragging pipes down the road. Electric fan. It's backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a 10-bolt Chevy differential. So really kind of made just to cruise. Show you the other side here. Tried and true small block 350. You just can't beat them for reliability. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice, smooth running, small block. Show you the dual exhaust that comes out the back. Little chrome tips on there. Nice. Got LED lights too. Great looking car. You want to come by and see it in person, you come see myself, Rich, or Gary, and I'll be happy to show it to you. We're here in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Our phone number here is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. Thanks for watching.